Good morning, students. Our subject for the day is environmental education. We are going to study chapter number 2, My Body and Its Organs. Today, I will read the chapter with you people and I am going to explain you the chapter. Okay, so everyone be ready for the chapter number 2. Now you have to answer me these questions first so that we can go on to the chapter. Okay? Which part of your body do you use? Now you have to tell me which part of your body you use to do these 3 activities. आप कौन सा बॉडी पार्ट अपना यूज करते हो इन 3 एक्टिविटीज को करने के लिए? Now first activity is to watch TV. Which body part do you use to watch TV? We use our eyes. Which body part do we use? We use our eyes. Now second activity is to run. Now which body part do we use to run? We use our legs. Which body part do we use? We use our legs. Now to color your drawing, which body part do we use? We use our hands. Which body part do we use? We use our hands. Now let's come to the chapter. Now you will have to keep your finger on the word which we are reading. Okay? Everyone get started and now be attentive. Our body is made up of many parts. Our body is made up of many parts. If you look at yourself in the mirror, you will see that if you will look yourself in the mirror means अगर आप अपने आप को mirror means शीशे में देखेंगे, then you will see that you have 2 eyes. How many eyes do you have? You have 2 eyes. You have 2 ears. How many ears? 2 ears. You have 1 mouth. How many mouth? 1 mouth. You have 1 nose. How many nose? 1 nose. You have 1 tongue. And what you have? You have 1 tongue. Now see here in this picture, we'll see that how many ears we have? 2. How many eyes? 2. How many nose? 1. How many mouth? 1. And the tongue inside the mouth. Now look at your hands and feet. You have 2 hands. How many hands we have? 2 hands. See, this boy is having 2 hands. You have 2 legs. Look here, how many legs does this boy have? 2 legs. You have 10 fingers. How many fingers do you have? 10 fingers. 5 fingers in one hand and 5 fingers in other hand. So how many total fingers you have? You have 10 fingers. You have 10 toes. So you have 5 toes in one foot and 5 toes in the other foot. So total how many toes you have? You have 10 toes. You have 2 knees. How many knees do you have? We have 2 knees. How many knees? 2 knees. Okay? And how many foot? 2 feet. How many foot? We have 2 feet. Now, parts of the body. Look at this picture of the parts of our body. Point out each part with your finger and read its name aloud. Now, we will read all the parts of the body and we will tell it loudly. We have 2 eyes. We have 2 ears. We have 1 nose. We have 1 mouth. We have 1 tongue. We have 10 fingers. We have 2 hands. We have 2 knees. We have 2 legs. We have 10 toes and we have 2 feet. Each part of our body has a special role to play. Now, what it is telling? Our body has different parts and every part has a special role. That means whatever one body part can do, the other body part cannot. We can do many things with our body. What we can do? We can do many things with our body. Like we write and hold things with our hands and fingers. How do we write and hold things? We write and hold things with our hands and fingers. We walk and run with our legs and feet. How can we run and walk? With our legs and feet. We eat and speak with our mouth. How do we eat and speak? We eat and speak with our mouth. Now, right now, ma'am is teaching you. How is she teaching? She's teaching you by speaking with her mouth. Okay? We bite and chew food with our teeth. Now, how do we eat food? We eat food by chewing it with our teeth. Okay? Now, animals also have body parts. Now, like we have different body parts, animals also have different body parts. Birds have wings. With the help of their wings, they fly. What does they do? They fly. Fish have fins. Fish have fins. With the help of fins, fishes swim. Monkeys have tails. Now, everyone must have seen monkeys at our school. And what do we see in monkeys? Monkeys have long tails. And elephants have a long nose called a trunk. Now, what does elephants have? They have a long nose which is known as trunk. Sense organs. Our eyes, nose, ears, tongue and skin help us to see, smell, hear, taste and touch things around us. They are called the sense organs. What are these called? Our sense organs. What are our sense organs? Our sense organs are eyes, nose, ears, tongue and skin. Now repeat it with ma'am. Our sense organs are eyes, nose, ears, tongue and skin. We see with our eyes. How do we see? We see with our eyes. We smell with our nose. What do we do with our nose? We smell. What do we do with our nose? We smell. We hear with our ears. How do we hear? We hear with our
What
ears.
else
we do? We taste with our tongue. What do we do with our tongue? We taste. We feel with our skin. Now, what do we do with our skin? We feel. Now, our body. We have to remember some points about this lesson. Okay? Now, you all have to repeat these points with ma'am. Okay? Everyone will repeat these points with ma'am. Our body is made up of different parts. Our body is made up of different parts. Each part of our body has a special role to play. Each part of our body has a special role to play. We have 5 sense organs. We have 5 sense organs. What are our sense organs? Our sense organs are eyes, nose, ears, tongue, skin. Repeat it once again. Eyes, nose, ears, tongue, skin. We should take good care of our body. We should take good care of our body. Now, these were the points to remember in this chapter. Now, we will also learn some important words from the chapter. Now, toe. One of the 5 parts that are found at the end of the foot. What are toes? One of the 5 parts that are found at the end of the foot. What are knee? The part in the middle of our leg where it bends. The part in the middle of our leg where it bends. Chew. To break food into smaller pieces with our teeth. Chew. To break food into smaller pieces with our teeth. Teeth. The hard white parts in the mouth that help us to bite and chew food. The hard white parts in the mouth that help us to bite and chew food. Sense organs. Parts of the body, eyes, ears, nose, tongue and skin that help us to know about the world around us. Parts of the body, eyes, ears, nose, tongue and skin that help us to know about the world around us. Okay, now this was chapter 2 for you people. Now you have to read the chapter once again and you have to learn the 5 sense organs and the activities which you can do with your body parts. Okay, this is your work. Revise the chapter, read it once again. All the best. God bless you.